Hello, my beautiful, lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great in your life. You are safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving lots of love to the channel. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. This is your bonus love messages for the month of March. I hope it resonates with you, but if it does not resonate with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius, and take whatever is resonating according to your situation, according to your condition, and leave the rest, because this is the general bonus love messages, so it is not going to resonate with each of you. So take whatever is resonating. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Okay, so let's start your reading. Let's see what are the bonus love messages for the month of March 2021. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which are important for my lovely Aquarius to deliver all over the world. What are the messages which are important? Let's start your reading. Let's see what are the messages for my Aquarius. Okay, what are the messages? What are the messages? Help me out. Okay. Let me adjust my cards first. You need to hold your vision, Aquarius, and the second message is the energy is gaining momentum. Okay, so the energy is gaining momentum. You have to hold your vision. Hold your vision. And there is what you do. What do you need to release? There is something which you need to release. And what is it? It's time to release negativity. Full moon in Scorpio. There is something which you need to release. What do you need to release, Aquarius? It's time to release negativity. Okay, so any kind of negativity if you're having inside of you, the time has come to release that. Beautiful message. Full moon in Scorpio. That's the message from this deck. A fairy climax approaches. Full moon in Aries. Okay, a fairy climax approaches. Then there is confidence is your key to success. New moon in Leo. Okay, so keep your confidence, because confidence is a key to success. Your dreams need a practical plan. Full moon in Taurus. So whatever dreams you are having right now, that needs a practical plan, Aquarius. There is a personal issue reaches resolution. Full moon in Cancer. Okay, there is bring love in us into the situation. New moon in Aquarius. So bring love into the situation. There is a new romantic cycle begins. New moon in Libra. Beautiful message. So new romantic cycle is going to begin here, Aquarius. So these are the messages from the Moonology deck, and the signs which you may be dealing with are Cancer, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, Libra, Aries. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Cancer, Taurus, Leo, Scorpio, Aquarius, Libra, and Aries. So these can be the signs which you may be dealing with. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful message. Let's see what are the messages from Animal Spirits Oracle deck. What are the messages? It wants to come out. I just saw this. Okay. What are the messages for my Aquarius which I need to deliver? What are the messages? Two messages only. Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having a bad spirit. Okay, bad spirit is there. A rebirth is assured. Okay, there is Vulture spirit, nothing is wasted. Okay, so nothing is wasted in life, Aquarius. That's true. There is hawk spirit. Let spirit be your guide. Okay, let spirit be your guide. And both of them are birds. Can you see here? Hawk spirit and the vulture spirit is here. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you, animal spirits, for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from the numerology deck. What are the messages you want me to deliver to my Aquarius? What are the messages? What are the messages? Okay. Abundance is coming in your life, Aquarius. There is a lot of abundance which is coming for you. Maybe right now you are seeing number synchronicities. Synchronicity is here. Maybe you are seeing number synchronicities or something like that. Here also in this reading also, can you see there is 1188, there is 77 here. So maybe you are looking at your number synchronicities, because here I'm having spirituality. You are moving in a forward direction in your spirituality, in your becoming more spiritual than before. Okay, there is individuality here. There is physical activity. You have to engage yourself more in physical activity, Aquarius. Okay, spend some more time in walking, in dancing, in running. Do something, play, you can play outdoor games like badminton, any game which you like, but you have to indulge in physical activity. There is change which is coming for you, Aquarius. Beautiful message. Change is coming for you. So that are the message from the number numerology deck. And the numbers which can be important for you is 7 and 8. Okay, so 7 and 8 can be an important number for you. So these are the messages from this deck. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let me see what are the messages from the self-care card. Okay, so there is peace and there is friendship. Embarrass your confusion. Let there be peace in not knowing all the answers. Okay, the right time will tell you the all answers. Okay, trust the divine and trust the unknown, Aquarius. Let the peace in not knowing all the answers. So that's the message which I am having. Maybe you are having a lot of confusion here. Can you see how this girl is sitting and thinking that what are the things which are coming your way? Let the things happen in a natural way. Let the things unfold in a natural way. There is friendship card which is here. Call a friend. When you are mirrored with love, you see yourself clearly. Okay, so maybe you are requiring help from a friend. You can call your friend and spend some time with your friend. So these are the messages that are very beautiful message. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from spell casting oracle deck. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? Okay. Bottom of the deck, I'm having psychic abilities and blessings. See, a lot of blessings are coming for you. 1 minute, I need to pick up the card first. Yeah, so love is coming your way, Aquarius. Okay, love is coming towards you, because here I'm having blessings. A lot of blessings are coming for you. Can you see how beautiful it is? So blessings are coming for you. There are psychic abilities. Your third eye is now getting activated. You are getting more intuitive than before. You are getting your healing. Healing is coming for you. You have to set up healthy boundaries around yourself. So set up healthy boundaries around yourself. Boundaries card is here. Then there is inspiration. There is an inspiration which is igniting. There is a passion which is igniting your inspiration. Follow your inspiration. Get the things which inspire your light, which inspire your soul. So that's the message which I'm getting from this deck. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the message. Kindred partnership. Okay, let me see what are the messages for my Aquarius for this reading. Give me the messages which are important for Aquarius. What are the messages? See, bottom of the deck I'm having. Wow, I'm going to take these. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I'm going to take these cards because this is beautiful, Aquarius. There are creative endeavor and the great achievements. There are events which are going to happen in your life, Aquarius. Okay, there is a great achievement which you are going to achieve in your life by doing your creative, by working on your creative side. Creative endeavor is here. Okay, you have to work on your creative endeavor, and by working it you are going to receive some kind of great achievement. And there is a happy success in your consciousness. You are having a happy success, and that's beautiful because whatever you are having in your consciousness, you are going to manifest in your life in that. And you, in your consciousness, you are having the present power. Can you see how this powerful, how powerful you are thinking about your own self? And this is beautiful. You are thinking that you are happy, successful, you are more powerful than before, and beautiful. These are the messages from your consciousness. Maybe some of you are feeling a fragmented energy, so you have to work on your energy, Aquarius. Okay, there is a travel here. Okay, so maybe some of you are going to travel. Okay, and if you're not traveling, that means that you are going to start a new chapter, a new journey in your life. But many of you are going to travel here, Aquarius. Then there is true love. True love is coming for you because you want that energy. You want the energy of true love, and that is going to come for you. Here I can say that because here I am seeing a commitment for you, Aquarius. Commitment is coming for you because you want true love. You are becoming your higher self, and that's beautiful because you are becoming your higher self. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from your guides. What are the messages from your guides? What are the messages? Do not worry at all, Aquarius, because worry is a wasted emotion. Feel joy in all you do. Kindness counts. Death is an illusion. Kindness counts. Have an attitude of gratitude. Focus on positive. Okay, so you need to focus on the positive things. Okay, have an attitude of gratitude. Always feel thank you for whatever things you have in your life. Okay, then there is death is an illusion. Okay, worry is a wasted emotion, Aquarius. Do not worry at all because worry is a wasted emotion. You have to lead by example because you are born leader, Aquarius. So lead by example for others. There is feel joy in all you do. Whatever you are doing, you have to feel joy. There is abundance is your right, and kindness counts. Okay, so kindness counts and abundance is your right. So beautiful messages from the guides. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages from the guides. Where is my deck? Okay, let me see that. Okay, I'm not going to use it. There is one more deck, the messages from the universe. Okay, thank you for giving the messages. Let me see. Notice the blessings, Aquarius, which are coming for you. Okay, let me see message from this deck. What are the message which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? What are the message? Lot of blessings are coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, that is for sure. See, adventure awaits. Can you see how this girl is? You are going to travel somewhere. You can break your routine and live a little sweet life. Plan a vacation. Maybe you are going to travel somewhere. So there is a adventure which is waiting for you. Okay. Adventure is waiting for you. Notice the blessings. There is elevate your energy. Okay, your thoughts are vibrations that attract positive or negative energy. Notice your current emotional state. Clear any negativity through conversation, movement, breath work, prayer, meditation, and so on. Then guides your thoughts back to love and abundant possibilities. When you elevate your energy, you attract abundance, health, and prosperity in your life. So elevate your energy, Aquarius. Then there is a new day. Let go of what was in order to make room for what's to come. It may be time to release a relationship that has run its course, a job that lost its luster, or a depleting commitment. The past is over. Okay, Aquarius, what is done is done. Acknowledge the feelings, learn from your experience, and give yourself permission to release any negative emotion or guilt. When one area of your life fall apart, a new opportunity falls in place. So beautiful messages are there for you, Aquarius. So these were your bonus love messages for the month of March 2021. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and love to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Okay, one more deck is here. Sorry. I forget to add a message from this. This is a new message. Life loves you. Let me add the message from this deck too. What are the message which I need to deliver? Okay, too many messages. I dedicate today to love. Notice how wonderful life can when you approach each day with an attitude of love. So you have to dedicate today by love. I commit to being more present in my life. That's true. If something seems to be missing in your life, maybe what's missing is you. Okay. One way I can be more present in my life is you have to be more live in the present. Okay, worry is a wasted emotions. Okay, you have to trust the unknown. So that was the messages for you, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. Sending you lots of love, healing energy and beautiful life, Aquarius, to all my Aquarius in the world. Take care of yourself and see you soon, Aquarius.